the Autistic Modeler. Today I got a box in the mail courtesy of Round 2 Models. They sent us over some brand new stuff to take a look and build on the channel. Let's take a look. Alright, the first one is this new 66 Ford that just got reissued with all the original parts in it. And these hippie decals that says, let's see, wait a minute, hang on. It says, bet your sweet Pippy. That's pretty cool. Those flower power decals. Now they can build this 4 different ways you could. You got your custom flower power one, your stock Ford, or your NASCAR or Grand National Ford, or even you got this drag racing engine. So you can build it stock, custom, drag, or Grand National. Pretty neat stuff. And it's got a lot of good parts in there. Take a look at that back of that. Really good stuff. A lot of neat decals and this cool 427 engine. I really enjoyed this one. This is a cool kit. I'm going to enjoy building this on the channel. Really cool stuff. And it looks like there is 10 tires that come in this. So it's worth the money just for the tires. Great stuff. Excellent. Thank you, Round 2. Let's take a look at the next one that was in the box. It's another Ford, big Ford. Now this is the 69 Ford and the Bumblebee car on the front, the Galaxy 500. This is a cool one because they brought back the original style decals that they had in one of the originals right there. And this also comes with 10 tires. Take a look at that. Isn't that great? 10 tires. And there's our stock version you can build. The drag. Or the kind of a stock looking drag. It's all sorts of stuff you can do with this. Really great kit. All the features and everything. This is going to be a fun one. I'm excited about this because I really was liking this car when they came back with it. Because they brought all the parts, the originals, back into the kit. Great stuff. Let's take a look at that next one. I think you're going to be really impressed. That's right. This is the one you guys been waiting for. The 65 Chevelle Time Machine Funny Car. This is a cool kit. We've all been waiting for it for so long. I'm glad it's back. It has all the original bodywork and all the original decals from the first edition. Look at all that. Great stuff. And then here's the back. Super cool decal sheet. Can you see that? Really neat. This is going to be one of the first ones we build here on the channel for this box of stuff. I'm really excited about this. And I'm glad they sent it over. They've been really generous sending good stuff over. All right, let's look at the next one. The last one we got is another Ford. This is a 57 Thunderbird. Now in this one here, they've also included the original, like that fastback custom style. Kind of like a Barracuda roof looking. And then we got our up top for the hard top on there. And then all this stuff here comes with. It's really cool stuff. Oh, flip it over there. And this one comes with 8 tires. So you got 2 different stock kinds and 2 drag tires. Plus you got these mag wheels. And they're pad printed white walls. Great stuff. This kind of reminds me of the old television show Vegas. Remember that one? That was a really cool show. This is a great kit. I'm excited about this one too. All right. Well, keep watching for updates. I'm going to be building some of these here on the channel real soon. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.